This is KKR sir, Biology NEET faculty. Now we are discussing about the biology model question papers which has been released from the Karnataka PU board. Model question paper 1 biology we are discussing now. Just look at, because model question paper questions almost the same question or similar topic only chances to come in main exam. So you all people please take care about this model question paper and revise must ensure to get the top score. Look at the questions. Part A, MCQs, multiple choice questions. First question, statement 1, pollination does not guarantee the transfer of right type of pollen. Yes, this statement is correct. How sir correct sir? How correct to dekho ba? How correct it is? Because pollination is the process. It is transfer the pollen grain from anther to stigma. But it is not guarantee the which type of pollen grain to reach the stigma. This is very important. Stigma only detect the pollen grain whether correct or not. Pollination is not. This statement is correct. Second statement, compatible pollen and pistil interaction guarantee double fertilization. Yes. Compatible pollen, yes. Whether correct pollen grain or not. I mean, tomato stigma receive the tomato pollen grain only. That is the compatible. Mango pollen grain reach to mango stigma, then only it is germinate and give the pollen tube and other process. So compatible pollen and pistil interaction guarantee the double fertilization. This statement also correct. So answer is both statements 1 and 2 statements are correct. Option A, O and AB. Option B, AB and B. Option C, AB and AB. Option D, AB and A. We already given chart in our notebooks, but once again I will check it. First option say we will look at. So O blood group and AB crossing. O blood group and AB. O blood group genotype is II. AB blood group genotype is IA, IB. So these two are crossing. Then what will come? IAI will come. IAI means which blood group? A blood group. These two are IBI. This is a which blood group? B blood group. So when O and AB parents when married, the children's no chance of O group and AB blood group. That is very very important. So first answer only correct. No need to check other options. Next, another chemical name for the nitrogenous base thymine. You know nitrogen base is adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Thymine another name asking. The direct question. 5-methyl uracil. That is the fourth one. Option D is right. Next, fifth question. Fifth question, look at. Select the correct match. One side Australian marsupials given, one side placental mammals given. First, spotted cuscus, flying squirrel. Option B, spotted cuscus, bobcat. Option C, spotted cuscus, anteater. Option D, spotted cuscus, lemur. This is the last one. For D option is the correct. The Australian marsupials, spotted cuscus, unka placental mammals are lemurs. This is the fifth question ka option D is right. Next, sixth question. Which of these ancient men protected their body with a hide and buried their dead? That is answer. Option A, Homo habilis. Option B, Neanderthal. Option C, Dryopithecus. Option D, Homo erectus. Option B is a correct answer in ka. Next to seventh question. See, seventh question. Human deficiency virus replicates in. Human immunodeficiency virus. I mean HIV. HIV virus targeted the T cells. So it is replicates in helper T cells only. Third option only correct, not B cells. Be careful about it. Next, the drug, eighth question, the drug which is a depressant and slow down body function. Which drug is mainly slow down and depressant body function is SMAC. That is option A is the correct answer, SMAC. Ninth question, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly called brewer's yeast, and is used for fermenting malted. You see, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, it is called baker's yeast also. Baker's means that is a baker's products, that means bread, this bakery products, baker's yeast. It is also called brewer's yeast. Brewer's yeast means alcohol products. The fermenting means alcohol. The alcohol products fermenting malted from cereals is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Next, 10th question dekho. In the year 1963, the two enzymes responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophage in E. coli were isolated. One of them cut DNA and other added the group. A question come from the biotechnology especially. See, in 1963, there are two enzymes responsible for restrict the growth of bacteriophage in E. coli. One is useful for cutting, that is a restriction enzyme. And one more is add the methyl groups to DNA. This is the option A is a correct answer. Next to 11th question, which of the following is a correct representing of primer's annealing step in a PCR? You see, PCR में three important steps. What are they? Denaturation, annealing, extension. Annealing means what? Primers are added. Very important. DNA primers are added to the third prime end. Very, very important. DNA primers are added to the third prime end because of hydroxyl group. You just look at the options. See, option A, both primes are 5 prime, 5 prime. Wrong. Option B, both primes are third prime only started. Option B, wrong. You know, DNA anti-parallel polarity. I mean, one strand is a third prime to 5 prime, another strand is a 5 prime to third prime. This you know very well. So answer option D dekho. This is third prime end. Here primer is added. Here third prime end. Here also primer added. So third prime say primers are added. That step is nothing but annealing. So option D is the correct answer. Next to 12th question dekho. Given below are the steps in the gene therapy. Gene therapy of patient which adenosine deaminase deficiency. Even if we gene therapy 3 marks question also important. You look at here. Option 1, lymphocytes are grown in a culture outside the human body. Second statement, lymphocytes are altered with a functional ADA gene. Third, lymphocytes are collected from the blood of the patients. This statement is first one. We can choose it is. Next one, lymphocytes are grown in a culture. This is nothing but second. Lymphocytes are altered with a functional gene. This is nothing but third. Last fourth one, the genetically modified lymphocytes are infused back into the patient. This is the last one, 4. So arrange the minimum correct order steps, nothing but option C is the correct answer. Next question. The organism that reproduce only once in their lifetime. Which organism reproduce only once their lifetime? Oysters, pelagic fish, salmon fish, hippocampus. This is the answer. Salmon fish is the correct answer. Next, 14th question. The decomposers especially abundant in the bottom of pond are decompose. You know decompose? Degrade the material. Plants are animal dead organic material. Decompose. Decomposers especially abundant in the bottom of the pond. Bottom of the pond decomposes. Decomposers kaun? I mean fungi, bacteria. These are decomposers. Bottom में कौन मिलता? Flagellates, fungi and bacteria. This option D is the correct answer. Next to 5th question. The IUCN Red List 2004 documented the extinction of the species in the last 500 years include IUCN. According to IUCN Red List, 784 nana. Extinction of species answer 15th question ka B option is a correct. Next, second Roman, Phillips here, amoebiasis, richness, nostoc, ovulation, colostrum, diversity, these are given. See one by one. The initial few days of milk produced after parturition is, after parturition, that is nothing but colostrum. Answer is colostrum, correct amma. Yeah, colostrum. This colostrum. Inka answer colostrum. Next question. 17th. Oral pills as a contraceptive effectively function by inhibiting ovulation. Simple. Direct to point it is. Ovulation. Ovulation is the correct. 18th. Symptoms of constipation, abdominal pain. Abdominal pain, constipation, this is nothing but amoebiasis. Amoebiasis is correct. Amoebic dysentery, amoebiasis. Entamoeba histolytica. Biological classifications may also it chances to there. 19th. Cyanobacteria is an autotrophic microbe widely distributed in aquatic and terrestrial habitat, can fix atmospheric nitrogen is. Cyanobacteria, nostoc, anabina. These are nostoc only mainly fix the atmospheric nitrogen, you know very well. 20th. Alexander van Humboldt observed that within a region species dash increased with increasing explored area, but up to certain limit means in answer richness. Richness. Okay, thank you. Next video next model paper MCQs and Phillips we will discuss.